Hey guys, Nate from Winter Equipment, back today for another edition of What's in the Box. And what's in the box today? Razors in the box today. All right, so through the magic of video editing, we've gone ahead and unboxed our razor system, put it out here for you on the table. We're looking at an 11-foot setup today. That's gonna get you 2 4-foot blades, 1 3-foot blade, 2 plow guards, and the bolt kit to install it. A couple of common questions that I get about the razor blade system. First question is, Nate, why would I use this? Awesome question, easy answer. While this is the entry model to our premium carbide blade lineup, the razor blade system is great for cities and counties that are plowing concrete roads, paved roads, your 2-lane roads, your main drag, main avenue, whatever it is you got going on, industrial areas. It's a great change for you. The next question is, what's the sizzle of the razor? Good question. 2 times wear factor is the answer. Nate, what's wear factor? Wear factor is the longevity of this blade versus your traditional carbide and cover. Simple analogy, you're currently running 3/4 by 6 trap insert carbide blades, and you've got an abrasion-resistant steel cover blade over top of it. We guarantee with references that this razor blade system will last twice as long as that. What does that mean for you? That means 1 less blade change, blade out there on the ground, plowing more often, less time in the shop, more snow off the ground, everybody goes home happy. A couple of the key features to the razor blade system is going to be the abrasion-resistant weld-on cover plate. So you can see right here across the face of all the blades, we've gone ahead and welded on. It's got interlocking tabs. You got a male over here on the left, a female over there on the right. As you install this across the face of your mold board, those are going to interlock, and it's going to give strength and rigidity across the length of your mold board. You're going to get 2 of Winter Equipment's MAXX plow guards. This is a casted plow guard with 3 pockets of our hard surface well on the bottom. This one over here has your curb cast, left-handed side. So if you're dealing with any kind of curb issues, or you need to get into areas where you don't want to damage your mold board, this will give you some protection against damage to that mold board. And finally, like all of our systems, it comes with a complete bolt kit plus all the hardware to put on and the instructions to help you out. To learn more about Winter Equipment's razor blade system and the rest of the products that Winter Equipment offers, go ahead and check us out at winterequipment.com or give us a phone call today at 800-2WINTER.